they're making the dormer. Putting all the new rafters in. Just strengthening up the roof. Stripped all the box gutters. I don't know if you can see, these planks used to be from old ships. So in the 1800s they used to reuse them on the roofs in London. And the rafters, it's from an old ship. Still solid. Amazing. This is the old stuff we use today, which is rubbish. It's all rotten, and the planks from the ship are still good. They're redoing the rafters.
The sounds of the season can often sound like this. How about this weather? But with Hilton, they could sound a bit more.
Yeah, your box gutters were leaking. Soaking wet. This is your back rafters being done. And they've just plied your new box gutter. So we ripped the old box gutter out and put new OSB in. So that's all new for you. And so your back face is all strengthened up. Catch you later. Bye.